गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का मेहता पीजी कॉलेज ऑनलाइन गैलरी में। टुडे वी आर डिस्कस फाइनल पोर्शन ऑफ स्मिथ्स क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एल्गी सेशन 4th. We are here to discuss a fifth major rank of division Phaeophyta, and by Smith also divided into three classes: Iso, Generati, and Isogenerati and cyclospori. In this class, we are here to discuss Phaeophyta. Also, Phaeophyta, also named as brown algae. Here divided class 9th, 10th and 11th. हम तीनों को एक साथ ही समझ लेते हैं, because in this division these three classes are very similar in their basic characters. They are only and only dissimilar in their life cycle. So यहाँ पे तीनों को एक साथ ही हम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। Isogenerati and Isogenerati and cyclospori. Journal habits. Journal habits, they are large in size. इससे ऊपर हम कह सकते हैं कि these are smaller and very simplest thallus organization, but after the Phaeophyta they are large and their thallus organization is very developed. ठीक है, मल्टी सेल्यूलर थैलस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन second point is filamentous branched यूनिएक्सियल। जो टाइप है फिलामेंट का, दे आर यूनिएक्सियल। मोस्टली दे आर मराइन हैबिट या हैबिटेट, मराइन। सेल वॉल, सेल वॉल के लिए हम कह सकते हैं कि their cell wall is cellulosic. Cellulosic and सबसे जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है, जो कि इकोनॉमिकली भी हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, their cell wall is composite of two type of acid antibiotic substance like alginic acid and fucinic acids. Alginic and fucinic also present in cell wall. Pigment, these are brown algae. So the main pigment is a mixture of carotenes and क्या बोलते हैं, xanthophylls. तो the main pigment is fuco um, fucoxanthins fucoxanthin and fucoxanthophylls and chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C. Fucoxanthin is responsible for giving brown color. Reserve food materials are laminarian starch, and mannitol, that is a alcohol. अल्कोहल सब्सटेंस है, अल्कोहल की जगह हम इसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं दीज आर पॉलीसैकेराइड्स, flagellas, they have biflagellates, unequal, whiplash, and tinsel. Reproduction is very advanced. वेजिटेटिव एंड सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन और एसेक्सुअल तीनों ही हैं, अलग से नहीं है. और सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इज आइसोगैमस and anisogamous. Isogamous and anisogamous type. Examples: in isogeneity, example is ectocarpus. In anisogamy, laminaria. In cyclospory, example is fucus. These are the basic examples. So what are the basic difference in three classes? The major difference in these classes in their life cycle, yeah, their alternation of generation, they have a true alternation of generation. And in ectocarpus, the both F1 and parent and progeny generations are morphologically same, not in genetically, they are morphologically same, so they can consider as in isogeneity class. But in anisogeneity, their life cycle is also known as heterogeneous or anisomorphic life cycle. Means in laminaria, the parents and the F1 generation progeny cannot be resemblance to their morphological characters. They are very distinct to each other in genetically and morphologically. And in cyclospory, that is we confuse the main mode of reproduction, and they are genetically, morphologically and physiologically, in both categories they are dissimilar to their parents. Clear? Next, division 6, division 6 is Sino-Physi. Sino-Physi और Sino-Physi में स्मिथ ने divide only a single class is Mixo-Physi. In a single class, Mixo-Physi. Sinophyta class 12 Mixo-Physi. According to Frisch, हम इसे Sino-Physi भी कह सकते हैं. The common name of this class or division is blue, green algae. Today the name according to ICBN, these are blue green bacterias. The general characters are multicellular, थैलस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, फिलामेंटस, ब्रांच्ड, ऐसा नहीं है. मल्टी सेल्यूलर की जगह हम इनको लिखेंगे यूनिसेल्यूलर, यूनिसेल्यूलर टू मल्टी. फिलामेंटस बट नॉट ब्रांच्ड, they are unbranched and simple. Filamentous, unbranched and simple. Their habitat is not marine, they are ubiquitous, means universal. All habits, water, terrestrial and in unusual habitats also. They are present in all type of habitats. Cell wall is non-cellulosic, means here their cell wall is contents resembles to the bacterial cell wall that made up of peptidoglycan. और इसका एक नाम और दे सकते हैं म्यूकोपेप्टाइड. म्यूकोपेप्टाइड. photosynthetic pigments. Photosynthetic pigments are very special and very rare. They have a main photosynthetic pigment in Fabry proteins, means in Sinophysi, C phycocyanin and C phycoerythrin and chlorophyll A. और एक स्पेशली और हम ऐड करेंगे क्लोरोफिल डी, ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट इन दीज. इसके एक्स्ट्रा लाइक मिक्सो xanthine and mixo xanthophylls. Mixoxanthine and mixoxanthophylls. Reserve food material. Reserve food is Cyanophycean starch. And also mixture. In bacteria, the reserve food portion is not common in any one type. These are the mixtures, and here we can consider like glycogen, starch, lipids, fats, etc. Flagellas are absent. Flagella are absent, and reproduction very simple, vegetative in form of cell division, fragmentation, binary fusion, etc., etc. The common examples of this class are nostoc, Oscillatoria, Anavina, etc. नॉस्टॉक एंड ऑसिलोटेरिया इस साल हमारे कोर्स में है बीएससी फर्स्ट ईयर में भी. द मेजर लास्ट डिवीजन, सेवेंथ, is Rhodophyta. Sorry, that is not Cyanophyceae, that is Cyanophyta. Rhodophyta, and divided all into a single class 13th, Rhodophyceae. Class or division 7, Rhodo. Rhodophyta. Class is Rhodophysi. Class 13th. The common name is red algaes. Common name is red algaes. General habit and habitats. यूनिसेल्युलर कभी नहीं होगा, ये होगा मल्टी सेल्युलर. मल्टी सेल्युलर. फिलामेंटस होगा, ब्रांच्ड होगा, सिंपल नहीं होगा, ये होगा मल्टी एक्सियल. यहाँ लिख देता हूँ पॉलीसाइफोनस. मल्टी एक्सियल पॉलीसाइफोनस. They are predominant in marine habitat. Predominant in marine habitat. Cell wall. Cell wall is peptidoglycans and galactans. मीन्स इसको करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. सेल वॉल इज नॉन सेल्यूलोजिक. सेल वॉल इज नॉन सेल्यूलोजिक. द मेन कंटेंट्स आर रिजेंबल टू द पेप्टिडोग्लाइकेन सब्सटेंस एंड ग्लैक्टेंट्स. पेप्टिडोग्लाइकेंस की जगह हम कुछ पेप्टिडोग्लाइकेंस नहीं, हम यहाँ पे यूज में ले लेते हैं पॉलीसैकेराइड्स. पॉलीसैकेराइड्स लाइक xylan. Polysaccharides like xylans and galactans. The main photosynthetic pigments are here C. क्योंकि ये रोडोफाइटा है तो here we can disclose as R phycocyanin. सायानिन के स्थान पर हम करेंगे एरिथ्रीन. एंड C की जगह R फाइको. एरिथ्रीन के जगह हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे सायानिन. बिकॉज एरिथ्रीन इज responsible for red color and cyanin is responsible for purple or blue color, and chlorophyll A and chlorophyll D also. Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll D. The reserve food material of Rhodophyta is Floridian starch. Floridian starch. Flagellas are absent and reproduction is very advanced in vegetative asexual एंड सेक्सुअल। और सेक्सुअल में भी हम यहाँ पे कौन सा दे रहे हैं, वेरी एडवांस oogamous टाइप। oogamous टाइप। The main common examples of rhodophyceae in our course is Polysiphonia, Batrachospermum, many more examples. So today we have disclosed all the 7 major division categories divided by Smith and all 13 classes divided by Smith. Here are the basic characteristics of classifications. तो आज की क्लास में इतना ही। नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करते हैं इनकी हैबिट एंड हैबिटेट स्ट्रक्चर्स। Okay then students, thanks.